Hi guys, welcome to Smart Gyan. I am pleased to inform you that TCS NQT has been notified. Yes, TCS has notified its hiring process through NQT. Today we will discuss in details about TCS eligibility criteria, NQT pattern, everything. Let us start. At least 60% or 6 CGPA throughout career. One must have at least 60% or 6 CGPA throughout career and 60% or 6 CGPA in the last qualifying exam, that is the highest qualification till the last semester of which result has been declared. Yes, that is 60% throughout career. Then regarding age, minimum is 18 years and maximum 28 years to participate in the TCS hiring process. Yes. Then regarding backlog and arrears, there should not be more than one active backlog. Yes, at least at most one active backlog is permitted. If selected, the student has to clear the backlog within the stipulated time limit of the university. Yes, if any candidate is selected, he has to clear the backlog within the stipulated time as declared by the concerned university. Then gap. Regarding gap or break in education, maximum 24 months gap is permissible. Yes, over more than 24 months is not allowed. Maximum 24 months gap in education or break in your academic career is allowed. Yes, if there is any exception, will be allowed only subject to verification of relevant documents at the time of test or interview or onboarding, depends on the company. Then course types, only full time courses will be considered. No part time or correspondence courses will be taken into consideration, only full time courses. But NIOS, National Institute of Open Schooling, secondary or senior secondary courses will be taken into consider if other courses are regular courses or full time courses. Yes, only NIOS will be taken into consideration, that is at the level of secondary or senior secondary level, provided other courses are full time or regular courses. Yes, then there is no permission for extended education in highest qualification or the last qualified exam. Yes, there is no extended education will be allowed in the highest qualification. Then regarding registration, the last date of registration is 17th October 2020. Already registration process has been started and it will be till 17th October 2020, and the national qualifier test date, that is NQT date, is on 24th, 25th and 26th October 2020. Yes, there are 3 dates. Depending on the slot, you will be allotted the date. Yes, this is about your eligibility criteria and other things. What about the pattern, NQT pattern? Yes, what about NQT pattern? So there will be 5 sections as per the latest NQT pattern, that is 2021 pattern. Verbal ability, section 1 is given verbal ability, and there will be 24 questions covering all the types, more or less it will cover all the types of verbal ability questions, and time limit is 30 minutes. Yes, time duration is 30 minutes. Then second one, reasoning ability. There will be 30 questions from reasoning ability section and time duration will be 50 minutes. Yes, 50 minutes time. So in an average more than 1.5 minute will be given per question. Yes, average timing is more than 90 seconds. Yes. Then coming to numerical ability, that is in numerical ability there will be 26 questions and 40 minutes time. This is also more than 1.5 minute or 90 seconds, that is same. So ratio of time for both reasoning and numerical ability, it is more than 1.5 minute or 90 seconds. Yes. Coming to fourth section, that is programming logic, there will be 10 questions and 15 minutes time will be given. And for the last one, that fifth section, that is coding section, there will be 2 questions and you will be given 45 minutes time duration. In all there will be 92 questions, total number of questions 92 and time is 180 minutes. Yes, time is 180 minutes, that is 3 hours for the total test. So this is all about your eligibility criteria and NQT pattern. I will come in front of you with a number of videos, a series of videos on NQT pattern, syllabus, coverage, level of difficulty, everything, means detailed analysis of NQT pattern, and also number of videos on reasoning ability and numerical ability. Yes, I will prepare a series on NQT, that is NQT series consisting of pattern analysis, reasoning ability and numerical ability. I hope you will like this video definitely. If you have not yet subscribed, subscribe it right now. Yes, I hope you will like this video, and I would like to insist you, if you have not yet subscribed this channel, subscribe it right now, so that whenever I upload any latest video you will get immediate notification. Yes, thank you all, have a nice time, wish you all the best for your forthcoming exams. Thank you once again.